Updating your payout destination in Outlook 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to update the payout destination. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings, and then click on Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Select your account. In the Account Settings window, you will see a list of your email accounts. Select the account for which you want to update the payout destination and click on Change. Step 4. Update payout information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout destination, click on Next and then Finish to save your changes. Close the Account Settings window and restart Outlook to ensure the updates take effect. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination in Outlook 2026. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy to avoid any issues with future payments.